In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline in Asana, a simple and efficient way to get a clear overview of your project schedule and assignments. Whether you're managing a complex project with numerous tasks or just trying to keep track of a few deadlines, a timeline can be a game changer. Let's dive into this quick tutorial to help you set up a timeline in Asana in just a few steps. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Asana website. If you're already familiar with the interface, you'll find this a breeze, but don't worry if you're new to Asana. I'll guide you through it. Once the website has loaded, take a look at the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. Now, for a seamless login process, especially if you're already signed into your Google account, you can select Continue with Google. This option is not only convenient, but also a secure way to manage your Asana projects. Choose your Google account from the list and you'll be within your Asana workspace in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find your project from the left-hand panel on the Asana interface. This panel is a handy tool, giving you quick access to all your projects. Browse through your projects until you locate the one you want to set a timeline for. Click on it and it will open up all the details associated with that specific project. Looking to the upper area of the project page, keep an eye out for a plus icon. You'll usually find it near the top of your screen, and it's a versatile tool allowing you to create different views within the project. Click on it to proceed with setting up your desired view. With the plus icon clicked, a few options will pop up. Among them, you'll see the timeline option. This is the feature we're after. Clicking on Timeline will instantly create a visual representation of your project schedule, allowing you to see tasks spread across a timeline structure. This view is incredibly useful for identifying overlapping tasks, managing resources, and understanding the dependencies between different tasks. And that's it. You've successfully created a timeline in Asana. By following these steps, you'll have a wonderful tool at your disposal to manage your projects more effectively, ensuring deadlines are met and teamwork is coordinated. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more efficient productivity tips. Happy project managing!